students, and he's coming from our geoengineering school. He's relatively young, but he has already an important international experience where he has developed the geoengineering skills that were provided at Politecnico. So I was happy to ask him to give you some highlights. So Gabriele, can you tell to us where have you worked, which is your experience, and how the skills and the knowledge that you studied at Politecnico were useful for your career?
Yeah, good morning to everyone. Thank you, Professor Peila, for the opportunity of that you gave me. I'm Gabriele Brino, and I'm a project engineer specialist in mechanized tunneling in the Tunnel and Geotechnical Department of Geodata Engineering, an engineering company in Turin, Italy. But I work as well in other European countries as Austria and Spain before. My company, Geodata, is one of the major engineering consultant firm in Italy in infrastructure sector, and it's in Turin, so it's deeply linked with geoengineering specialization and your department.
Okay, so
personally experience in my career, a big point of strength of Politecnico di Torino Geoengineering graduated is their competence in tunneling and underground work, both in terms of calculation, technologies, methods. So, and another really important aspect is the focus that geoengineering has in mechanized tunneling. That is a sector that is not so developed from the educational point of view in a lot of other let's say universities in Italy, in Europe, in the world. So my experience about it was a great skills in mechanized tunneling expected rather than other let's say colleague of mine. So it's always a good point for graduated students that has recently graduated in Politecnico di Torino.
Gabriele, but would you suggest to your young future possible colleagues to enroll this path of geoengineering in Politecnico Torino?
Yeah, of course. I think that this was one of let's say the best experience that I had. From the educational point of view, it's really a multidisciplinary field. We have a lot of professors coming from, let's say, all over the world with a lot of experience, both on the field that is not so common, let's say, for a university professor in university, that in as we expected, let's say, from the theoretical point of view. So
you are saying that in your during the course you had also the chance to interact with the professor coming from all over the world and to go on the field to understand, to touch things.
Yeah, exactly. And also a good point is always the point of view that the Politecnico di Torino and especially geoengineering Master of Science has on the innovation. Let's say that it's really important. I think that this is one of the point of view that let's say new students have to take into account, because new students and new graduated civil engineering will be, let's say, the best source of innovation for the sector. That is really important, and it's really challenging and, let's say, interesting and source of passion. So it is, from my point of view, a really important element that I received during my educational path in Politecnico di Torino, and I constantly develop and grow during my career.
Okay. Listen, I thank you very much for the time that you spent with us, and I hope to see you soon personally. Ciao,
Yes, see
Gabriele.
you soon.